So guys, welcome everyone. Welcome to Sadaiva classes. Next unit we are starting of Standard 6 and this is the textbook of Standard 6 English medium English textbook, right? English Balbharati. If the name of the poem is It Can Be Done, It Can Be Done. You can see that primitive man now has become the evolved person. Now this everything is possible with the determination. Everything is possible with the determination. And how it can be done, how it can be done, you can see there was the there was the what can we say that use of fire, there was the use of wheel, then he started cultivating or farming, and now we have become, and the man has become the, what can we say, the man has become a modern person, modern man. You can see guys, we are modern person here right now. So how it can be done, how it can be done. The man who misses all the fun, the man who misses all the fun is he who says it can't be done. जो भी बोलता है ना ये नहीं हो पाएगा, वही आदमी जो होता है that misses all the fun. ये हो पाएगा. Yes, it is possible, it can be done. It is possible, it can be done if you try, if you determine, if you pursue the things. Samjha? In solemn pride, he stands aloof and greets each venture with reproof. Had he the power, he would efface the history of the human race. We would have no radio or motor cars, no streets lit by electric stars, no telegraph, no telephone. We would linger in the age of stone. The world would sleep if things were run by men who says it can't be done. अगर लोग हमारे यहाँ पे अगर ऐसे लोग होते हैं जो हमेशा बोलेंगे अरे ये नहीं हो पाएगा, तो हमारे पास आज जो भी चीजें हैं, ओके, वो हमारे पास चीजें आपको नहीं मिल पाती, राइट? वी वुड नॉट, वो चीज हमें नहीं मिल पाती, क्योंकि हम क्या कर रहे हैं, देखो what we are doing guys, what are we doing right now? We are trying to do everything as possible, okay, जो हमें possible है वो हम ले, so because of that it can be done, okay, it can be done. इसलिए हमें आज टेलीग्राफ है, टेलीफोन है, टेलीग्राफ का खत्म हो गया, अभी टेलीफोन है, मोबाइल है, इंटरनेट है, we have radios, we have motor cars, we have streets lit by electric stars, and there are many things we are having, they are required for, they are our needs, and what can we say, they are, many of the things are for luxury purposes, right? You know very well. So everything is possible if we say it can be done. अगर हम कोशिश ही नहीं करेंगे, अगर हम बोलेंगे यार नहीं जानो, छोड़ो यार ये होता है, होगा नहीं, तो आपको कुछ नहीं होगा, राइट? Even if you try to get the first class, or if you try to get the first rank in the class, तो भी आपको पॉसिबल होगा. कैसे पॉसिबल होगा? whenever will you say yes it is possible, it can be done, तो तुम में से सारे बच्चों को भी अच्छे मार्क्स मिल सकते हैं. whenever only there is a positive thing, there is a determination, and there is a perseverance for your career, okay, or your thing, getting guys? So it can be done if you see the, if you do all the things. So writer is anonymous. So writer is what? He is anonymous. That means who has written, we don't know. Who has written this poem, we don't know. There are some words, the meanings. Look at, let's see the meaning of some of the words, guys. Yes, chalo. In solemn pride here, that means looking very serious, grand, and important. Aloof means separately, without getting involved in anything. Venture means what? Adventure, a dangerous or risky task. What is reproof? It is a criticism, negative comment. And efface means what? Wipe out or remove. तो क्या होता है जब भी आप कुछ अच्छा करने जाते हो ना, there are people who generally don't like your goodness. जो भी आप अच्छा करने जाओगे लोगों को अच्छा नहीं लगता है, तो लोग हमेशा आपको कुछ ना कुछ क्रिटिसाइज करेंगे, ये बोलेंगे, वो बोलेंगे, अरे ऐसा मत करो, वैसा मत करो, इससे कुछ नहीं होता है, इससे कुछ नहीं होता है, क्या कर रहे हो तुम, हाँ? तो इट्स लाइक दैट यू शुड बिहेव वेरी वेल, यू शुड, और ये चीज लोग हैं इनको हमें इग्नोर करना है, वी शुड इग्नोर सम पीपल दे आर हु आर अगेंस्ट आवर गुड थिंग्स, राइट, समझा ना? लेट्स गो अहेड गाइस. Who misses all the fun? The person who says, the man who says it can be done. What is the title? What is the title of the poem? It can be done. What does the man who misses all the fun do? He always finds his excuses and everything that. चलो ट्राई करो जितना भी हो सके. एक प्रोजेक्ट यहाँ पे दिया हुआ है. Okay, good.